Exercise 6.1, and the question number 1 is find the nth term, or you can say nth term, rule of formation of each of the following series 2, 4, 6. First of all, please understand this highlighted. Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. What is Tn here? Tn means the last term and a means first term, just like 2, 4, 6 here. So the first term is 2, second term is 4, third term is 6. Similarly, a means first term, means a is equal to 2 here, and n means number of terms, just like we suppose that here written 10. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, total numbers 5. Here not any last term, so we can say that we don't know n here. So now, and d means difference. Difference here means common difference, not only difference, common difference. Common difference means just like 4 minus 2 equal to 2. Similarly, 6 minus 4 equal to 2, 8 minus 6 equal to 2, 10 minus 8 equal to 2. So it's called common difference, you can say. Now here a is equal to 2 because first term is 2. D is equal to 4 minus 2, so d is equal to 2 here. And in question it is clear that find the nth term, so Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and Tn is equal to a is equal to 2, so 2 here plus n minus 1, we don't know n, so same put here n minus 1 same, and d is equal to 2 here. So now 2 same, and n into 2 equal to 2n, and minus 1 into 2 equal to 2. 2 plus 2 minus cancel, and Tn is equal to 2 here. So it's the answer of question number 1. Now question number 1 part 2. One square, 3 square, 5 square. Solution. Now we consider that 1, 3, 5 without square, and when we will solve completely, and we after that we can put square again, because here we take without square. So 1, 3, 2. Similarly here you can first of all please check the difference. First step is to check the difference. Difference tells you about the series, which type of series given. So similarly here 3 minus 1 equal to 2, 5 minus 3 equal to 2, so you can say that the given series is AP. Okay, now here first term is equal to a, so a is equal to, first term is equal to 1, so a is equal to 1. D is equal to 3 minus 1, sorry, d is equal to 2, so difference is 2. And here similarly in question nth term, similarly, so nth term, first of all Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, and Tn is equal to a is equal to 1, so put here 1 plus n, we don't know n, so put same n here, and minus 1, and d is equal to 2 here. So 1 same, n into 2 equal to 2n, minus 1 into 2 equal to minus 2, so 1 minus 2 equal to minus 1, and Tn is equal to 2 and minus 1, and put square here now, because we here consider without square, so you can put square here. Now Tn is equal to 2n minus 1 whole square, so it is the answer of this question. Now question number 1 part number 3. 3, 9, 27. So you can see here, if you check the difference, if we suppose that 9 minus 3 equal to 6, and 27 minus 9 equal to 18, so difference is not common, so we can check by using another, just like r is equal to second term divided by first term. So 9 divided by 3 equal to 3, and 27 divided by 9 equal to same 3. So we can say that the given series is geometric progression, the given series is GP. So if we want to find the difference in geometric progression, so we use r is equal to second term divided by first term, third term divided by second term, fourth term divided by third term. So we can say here r is equal to 9 divided by 3. So r is equal to 3 here, and first term is already 3. Now if we see in arithmetic progression, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, but in geometric progression Tn is equal to a r power n minus 1. So Tn is equal to a same 3, r same 3 here, and n we don't know, and so n same minus 1 same. Now here base is same, so power will be added. So 3 plus 3 same, base same, and power here, the power of 3 is equal to 1, and power of this 3 is equal to 3 minus n minus 1. So 1 plus n minus 1. Here 1 of plus and 1 of minus cancel out. So Tn is equal to 3 power n. So this is the answer of this question number 1 and part number 3. Now similarly question number 4, 2, 8, 26. If we check here the difference by using d is equal to second term minus first term, so d is equal to 8 minus 2 equal to 6. 26 minus 8 is equal to 18. So the common difference not same. So we use now by check by using r is equal to second term divided by first term. So 8 divided by 2 equal to 4. 26 divided by 8 equal to not 4. So we cannot use here Tn is equal to a into n minus 1 into d, not we use geometric progression formula. So what we can use here, suppose that first term T1 is equal to 2. Okay, we suppose that 1 is equal to 3 minus 1, 3 power 1 minus 1 is equal to same 2, and we suppose that T2 is equal to second term is equal to 8, and second term we suppose that 8 is equal to 3 square minus 1, and 3 square minus 1 equal to same 8. Similarly T3 is equal to 26 is equal to 3 cube is equal to 27, and minus 1 equal to same 26. So similarly Tn, here T1, T2, T3, Tn same Tn, and we know that T when we put here 1, so we put T power 1, when we put here 2 we put T power 2, when we put here 3 T power 3 here. So similarly 3 power n, and we know that we also put here minus 1 with this. Similarly you can put with this one. So Tn is equal to T power n minus 1. So this is the answer of this question number 1 part number 4. Now question number 1 part number 5. 1.2 whole square equal to 1.2 whole square comma 2.3 square comma 3.4 square. Now similarly here if we check difference, we cannot get the same common difference here. Similarly not r is equal to second term divided by first term. So similarly we use techniques of just like we use here in question number 4. So similarly use here in question number 5. T1 is equal to 1.2 whole square, T2 is equal to 2.3 square, T3 is equal to 3.4 square. Similarly Tn is equal to, if you note here the sequence in 1 2 3 just like T4 4 T5 5, but not here, just for example. Similarly 1 2 3, so you can put here n, and if we note that here 2 3 4 in sequence, so 1 plus 2 equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2, and 2 plus 1 equal to 3, 3 plus 1 equal to 4. So if we take here n, and n plus 1 equal to this one. Okay, so similarly here square, here square, here square, so similarly you can put here square also. So thank you. If you have any question, any confusion, you can ask in comment section, and it's humbly request to you, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.